Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings. Here you need to click on see more in account center, and then you need to click on this icon, and then you need to select your name, and it will take few seconds to redirect to you on you this page. Then you need to click on username. Sometimes it takes some time, and click on no username, and here you can change your username. So let me select my username. So if it is not selected, so let me select this one, 34. So let me select another one. Okay, then you need to click on done. So this is the process by which you can change your username on Facebook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.